How to watch Hulu on big screen. Step number 1, use a smart TV. Open the Hulu app on your smart TV if your TV has Hulu built in. Navigate to the Hulu app using your TV remote. Log into your Hulu account and start watching. Step number 2, use a streaming device. Connect a streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, or Xbox to your TV. Install the Hulu app on the streaming device if not already pre-installed. Open the Hulu app, log in, and enjoy streaming. Step number 3, cast from your phone or tablet. Open the Hulu app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap the casting icon, usually at the top right corner, to cast to a compatible TV or streaming device. Select your TV or device, and the content will stream directly to your big screen. Step number 4, use an HDMI cable. Connect your laptop, tablet, or phone to the TV using an HDMI cable. Select the correct HDMI input on your TV. Open the Hulu app or website on your device and play the content. The video will display on the big screen. Step number 5, use game consoles. If you have a PlayStation or Xbox, download the Hulu app from the console's app store. Log into your Hulu account and stream content directly on your TV. Important notes: ensure your TV or streaming device is connected to the internet. Make sure your device and TV are compatible with casting or streaming methods like AirPlay or Chromecast.